Hey guys, it's Stephen Kennedy at Edwards Garage in Rocky Mountain House. I wanted to give you a quick walk around on this fresh off the press 2021-24 RKS Mountain Series from Outdoors RV. I'll give you just a quick run around on the outside, show you what it's all about, and then we'll go on the inside and take a tour of that, show you the quality and the nice interior finish on it. Couple things I want to start off with about the Outdoors RV that's really handy and really nice is it is designed for all 4 seasons. It's got great capability in any scenario, whether it be at a trailer lot, whether it be out in the backcountry, you name it. They've done a lot of really cool things to make this trailer fit for everybody. One of the things I like to start around the front here is it's got the spray and rock guard all along the front edge of the trailer, so it won't get beat up and pitted and stuff from rocks and such flying off your vehicle. It's got the a really nice full channel frame all the way from front to rear that is specifically designed for this trailer itself. Outdoors RV runs single unit production runs, so the frame is set up specifically for the 24 RKS. There's extra supports where it need to be set up for the suspension and the chassis and stuff and the axles. So it's all tied in together. They do a lot of really cool things that add extra quality to this trailer and just help with longevity, the usability, things like that. On the front here, we've got our power jack with our nice little organizer here for your chains and your plug-in cable. We've got two 30-pound propane tanks straight from factory, which is nice. So you got a little bit of extra capability when you're out in the backcountry. You've got the Toy-Lok, so you can lock up bikes, quads, dirt bikes, you name it. It's all there, which is awesome. On the side here, some of the things about the Outdoors RV that I really like is you've got 1-inch doors, okay, with the magnetic catches at the top. You don't have to fiddle with the little handles. They've got all metal bracketing for the inside. It's not none of that cheap plastic, so it's really good quality. 2-inch vacuum sealed bonded walls the whole way throughout, as well as on the slide out and stuff. We'll go around and show you that. But in the storage side, I really like this. It comes with a 30-foot 30-amp plug-in cable for you. Okay, you don't have to worry about getting that after the fact. It's got a really nice rubber tread plate interior base, so you can put a little bit heavier weight in here. It can withstand some moving around and stuff in the storage compartment. And then it's really open. You can fit a whole cooler in there, chairs, things like that. They're all really nice. I have an Outdoors RV myself, and those fold-up chairs fit in perfectly. And then it closes really nice, and it's all lockable. It is pre-wired for a solar panel. Okay, so there's wiring here for the solar panel as well as on the roof if you want to add one, or if you have a portable solar panel. Coming around to the side, you'll see they've got the really easy but very good quality Lippert component stairs. They fold up very simple, but they're also really rugged and well built. You've got just an outdoor plug-in, which is nice on the side here. Coming over to our tire and our axle and suspension, one of the things I really like to show you guys is these are 10-ply Goodyear tires built in the US. It's got upgraded suspension with the More Ride, and it's got heavy-duty axles, so the axles actually can support a heck of a lot more weight than the trailer is worth. The reasoning behind that is just in the event that you're going to load up a generator or something like that, get your trailer all full, it's going to be over-engineered, so you'll never have a problem when you're out in the boondocks, as I say. Coming around to the side, a couple things I like to show you here on the door. They've got a really nice heavy-duty grab handle. We've got our awning, which is all fully powered. It does have a center support, which is a super nice feature as well. So when you're driving on any rough roads and stuff, it's not going to be bouncing up and down, causing these arms to get a lot of tension on them. It's all fully powered, and there is a full LED strip light underneath, which lights up the outside of your camper really nice. You've got a sound system on the inside, outside. It is a Furion system. You can select the zones. It's kind of cool. Really good quality system there. Moving around to the back here, the one thing I like is they've got a full channel bumper, okay? You can put your sewer hose in there and stuff, which is really nice. This one comes with the 2-inch hitch receiver, so if you have a bike carrier or something like that, or an additional rack for extra cargo, you name it, it's all comes from the factory. One of the things with the Outdoors RV is they've got a very heavy-duty ladder that is built in from the factory, so it's all really nice. They've got extra mounting bracketing and stuff behind it, so it'll support the extra weight. You've got your plug-in here for not only your power, but your cable and satellite if you want to set it up with a satellite dish. It's got a really heavy-duty 10-ply spare as well, which is awesome. Moving around to the outside, the other side of the trailer, we've got our exterior shower. Okay, so it's very easy to access. We've got access right here to your hot water tank and such, and then your furnace is on the back side there. And then just your water fill and your city connection here. I didn't mention this, but it does have power stabilizing jacks on this specific model. Super handy feature, makes it really quick to set up. And then you've got very easy access to your gray water tank here. And then as we come around to the other side, you've got an additional access to the black and the gray water here with these really nice built-in access panels just to pull the handles. You don't have to be reaching down underneath. Just little quality things like that that Outdoors RV does. So you've got two different gray water tanks with this trailer specifically. Because it is a rear kitchen model, there is a gray water tank for the kitchen sink, and then there's a gray water for the bathroom sink and shower, okay? You've got built in here the Sandy flush system as well. That's a super handy thing. When you're dumping the trailer, you can plug in and it will clean out your gray and black water tank for you without you having to do anything. And then just on this side, we've got another little access to that storage, just like the other side. Very well built stuff here. So yeah, that's kind of the outside of the trailer. If there's anything else that you have questions about on the trailer itself, on the exterior, or any other things you want to see, please give us a shout and let us know, and we can give you a personalized video. But we're going to go inside and I'm going to tell you about some of the interior features on this trailer now, okay? Hey guys, so we're inside this 2021 24 RKS. This is one of my favorite floor plans in the Outdoors RV lineup. I'm going to just show you some of the interior features on this specific model, starting with the two-door option, which I really like. You've got a door to access the back as well as a door to access the bedroom. So if there's a couple and one's staying out a little bit later, you don't have to come in and out of the trailer and interrupt the other one. You've got access to the fridge right here on the inside of the door. It's got a Norcold fridge in it. Really, really large, lots of space. One of the things that I really like about the Outdoors product. What I really like is you can fit a 4-gallon jug of milk in here. That's something that I would have never thought of myself, but after having one of these, that's a really, really handy thing. So if you're going out for a little bit longer stays or boondocking out in the backcountry, you've got a lot of room to take a lot of things with you. And then you've got a really good sized freezer up top as well. You can't see it in the video right now, but all your access to your awnings, your slide-in, your gray and black water tanks, you name it, your water pump, your heater, and then your freshwater 12-volt tank heater that this unit's equipped with are all right here. They're very easily accessible just inside the door. We've got the Suburban oven top and range here, which is awesome. They work really well. I put mine to use a couple times and never had any issues whatsoever. We've got a built-in microwave as well, which is awesome. A farm-style sink, which is quite large and gives you a lot of room inside there. That's something that's kind of handy. You've got decent countertop space on both sides, and you've got plenty of storage with this unit. That's one of the things I really like about it. You've got a lot of openings there. We've got our heavy-duty fold-out or slide-out shelves, which is really cool. These are all rated for 100 pounds, so very well built, solid wood all the way through. They use total plywood, hardwood the whole way throughout the construction of this trailer. There is no chipboard or any kind of lesser product out there that is included in the Outdoors RV lineup. You've got tons of options here, so it's great. That's really nice about it. You've got storage underneath the dinette here. I really like the Outdoors RV dinettes because they give you an extremely well-built setup. You've got thick foam for your seating features, as well as it's super handy when you're laying out in a bed form. It's very comfortable. The slide is CNC cut out right from the factory, so it's actually perfectly fit. They use the cut out of the wall that they when they build it, they use that on the slide exterior, so it's a perfect fit every time. LED lights all the way throughout, which is awesome. This unit specifically was built with Maxx-Air vent fans, so that's super handy. There's a little controller here to work it. Click it on, click it off. It just creates a lot of airflow. The sleeper sofa is really nice as well. Super comfortable to sit in. You've got the nice open concept with this model, so if you had friends or people visiting, you've got a really easy, nice communication setup. And then if you're hosting anybody, it folds out into a full bed. Super roomy, really nice to sleep on. I've had to sleep on it once myself, and I have no complaints. Lots of storage here though, again, okay, above the sofa. To the left of it here, we've got a pile of cupboards, drawers, you name it. And then we've got our built-in LED flat screen TV with the Furion sound system, and then just a little bit more storage up top. So things that I can't complain about whatsoever with this model. That's why it's one of my favorites, just the floor plan and such. The vaulted ceilings are also really handy with this Outdoor RVs product. If you're a taller person, you've got a lot of headroom, and it's just a little plus to have with the trailer itself. Moving over down the side here, we're going to get to our furnace control right here, which is awesome. So it's kind of halfway between, so depending where you're at in the trailer, you can adjust it very easily. Access to some lights, and then we've got access to our bathroom here. I like it. It's simple. It's easy. You've got a really good size, deep size tub there with a stand-up shower and a adjustable shower curtain rod to give you a little bit more space. If you're in there, you can open it up a bit, which is one of the things that people with trailers find is kind of crappy, is there's not a lot of space to shower and you're kind of claustrophobic. This model allows you to actually extend that, so it just opens it up in the shower system a little bit better. Another Maxx-Air vent fan. And then one of the upgrades about this one that I really like is you can actually turn the water pump on with this 24 RKS right in the bathroom here. So you don't have to go all the way to the front of the trailer to do so. They've got a couple heavy duty hooks here for towels, things like that, you name it. And then unique about this specific model is the sink is on the outside of the bathroom. I like that because it allows one person to be getting ready and the other person can be out here brushing their teeth, getting ready for the day, doing sort of whatever you have to do to get ready in the morning. A nice little vanity here so you can put all your toothbrushes, hair combs, you name it. And then I really like this little hook here. So you can either put a towel there or you can use it for a coat, something coming inside the door there. It's just a nice spot to have it, so you can choose what to do with there. And then lastly, just into the bedroom here, I'll just close the bathroom door and let the photographer get by. Caitlin, our main gal. I like this. In the bedroom, we've got a queen size bed. They use a very high-end mattress, okay, with the trailer. It's got extra storage underneath, and as you'll see, plywood the whole way throughout here on the construction. So very, very nice stuff that we're working with. And then lots of storage space for clothing. You've got built-in hangers on both sides. We've got open, yeah, I'll let you show it there. So you've got built-in hangers, which is really, really nice. And they've got pre-holds cut out, so it's not going to be sliding around, which is one of the things that you'll find with a trailer is if it's just a bar, it slides around a lot and your hangers can fall off. One of the upgrades to the 2021 models is they've got a padded headboard now. That's kind of nice. As the shape of this, if you get out of bed, it's just a little extra feature there for you. On the sides of the bed, we've got plugins. Not only do we have household outlets, but we have a couple USB plugins which run off the 12-volt power, which is awesome. And then you've got your master Maxx-Air vent fan control here for the Maxx-Air fan in the bedroom. There is an additional mount here if a person wanted to put a TV in, so that's one of the nice things. And then you've got some decent window space in here. You got the top part, the one behind our filmer, and then the one on the door. The one thing about the windows in the Outdoors RV is they are thermal pane windows. So mentioned earlier, it's a 4-season trailer, very well insulated. They've got the ability to go down to about -7 without having to do anything whatsoever. Any colder than that, you're going to have to start doing a few things, but we do have customers who use these things year round and just make the necessary adjustments to do so. Lastly, you've got your door to the exterior here in the back, as I was mentioning earlier in the video. And then I didn't touch on it, but this is one of the new features for the 2021 is the stainless steel bathroom sink as well. Other than that, I kind of touched on a lot of the stuff of this trailer. There's still a lot more. I can't fit it all in. Little things like this here that they give you, the padded insulated insert, so it keeps you a little warmer at nighttime and reflects the sun during the daytime if you don't want it in there and getting it hot. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us. Check us online or at edwardsgarage.com, or you can phone us 403-845-3328. We're located in Rocky Mountain House. We've been an Outdoors RV dealer for this is our 8th year. So we're really happy to serve you. And if we have any questions, we'd love to do something personalized for you. Or please swing on in and take a look at the product yourself.